Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 13 of English grammar, that is articles a and the. Dear students, in the previous class we have read that there are three kinds of articles, a and the. And I have also told you that these three articles have been categorized into two kinds, indefinite articles and definite article. In the category of indefinite article, we keep the article a and in the category of definite article, we keep the article the. Dear students, in the previous class, we have also read the use of a, use of and use of the. Dear students, I have already told you that we use the article a with the before the words that begins with the consonant sound, and we use the article and before the words begins with the vowel sound. And I have also told you that where do we use article the. For example, when the thing denotes the whole class, before the mountain ranges, before the unique objects, okay, before the superlative degree, before the holy books. There are so many things I have taught you in the previous class. Those who did not attend the previous class can watch the previous video at my YouTube channel. Dear students, today we will discuss the exercises given in the chapter. Dear students, just see, there are so many exercises given in this chapter. Exercise first, second, third and optional questions are given. We will discuss the exercise first and second today. So just see, exercise first. Dear students, you also open your book. We will discuss the exercise first. Dear students, in this exercise you have to fill the blank with a and the. There are three articles, a and the. These three articles you have to choose. You have to fill in the given blank. Okay? So just see here. The first question, dear students, there is a blank and then after it is written A-E-R-O, files, F-I-L-E-S, sorry, flies, not files. Just see friends, aeroplane flies in, there is blank, there is sky. Just see students, there are two blanks given in this sentence and you have to choose, you have to use the most appropriate suitable articles to fill in the blank. Just see, aeroplane flies in sky. Just see students, that is aeroplane and it begins with the vowel sound. Therefore, we will use here and. Okay, an aeroplane fly in the sky. There is only one sky. Okay, that is unique object. Therefore, we will use here the article the. Okay, so in the first blank we will fill the article and. In the second blank we will fill the article the. In this way, your sentence will be an aeroplane flies in the sky. Okay, students. I hope that you all have understood the first question. Okay, you fill and the in the given blanks. Come to the next question, question number second. Just say students, what is question number second? Is he? Is he? There is blank. H-E-I-R. Air to throw. To throw, T-H-R-O-N. Just see students, this is interrogative sentence. You can see here, the sentence begins with the helping of is he. Yes students, the pronunciation, here H is written here, that is consonant, but the pronunciation is air. Okay, air, H-E, air, that is the pronunciation, air, and that is the sound of vowel. Therefore, we will use here article an. He is an heir to throne. Okay, students. Don't see that the word start with the consonant sound H, but the pronunciation of this sound begins with the air. Okay, students, when you will search the pronunciation of this word, you will find air. Okay, so we will use here the article an. Okay, is he an heir to throne? Okay, students, you will fill the word an in the given blanks. Come to the next question, question number 3. Just see, there is a blank. Umbrella is useful thing. Useful thing. Just see, students, there are 2 blanks and you have to use the article, suitable articles in the given blank. Just see, umbrella. The sound starts with the or, therefore we will use here an. That is vowel. Therefore we will use here article an. Okay, just see, an umbrella is useful. Dear students, just see, the word useful start with the vowel letter U, but the pronunciation of this, the sound of this word start with the Y. That is not vowel. That is not vowel. That is consonant. But the word, the letter U is vowel, but the sound is consonant. Therefore, we will use here the article a. That is very, very important. You should keep in your mind. We have to use article a and article an according to the sound, not the letters. Okay, if the word begins with the vowel sound, then we will use article an. If the word begins with the consonant sound, then we will use article a. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood. So just see here that in the first blank we will fill the article an, and in the second blank we will fill the article a. Okay, doesn't mean that the word starts with the letter U. Okay, just see, an umbrella is a useful thing. Okay, students, come to the next question, question number 4. Madhu is, just see, Madhu is, blank is given, innocent girl. Okay, students, just see, Madhu is innocent. Just see, the word start with the sound E, innocent. That is vowel, and that is also vowel letter I. Therefore, we will use your article an. Okay, if the words start with the vowel sound, then we will use the article an. So, what would be the correct sentence? Madhu is an innocent girl. That is the correct sentence. Come to the next question. Question number 5. Let's say, students, New Delhi is blank is given, capital of India. Capital of India. This is your question. Just see, students, once again, New Delhi is, that is the capital. Therefore, we will use here the. Okay, let's see, New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 6. Just say, students, what is question number 6? Blank is given here. Ganga is given here. Ganga, that is holy river. Ganga is blank H-O-L-Y, holy river. R-I-V-E-R. Just see. Ganga is ... holy river. So we will write here the Ganga. Just write the Ganga, because I have told you already that we use the article the before the river, before the oceans, before the gulfs, the name of the gulfs. Just see students, the Ganga is a holy river. Holy, the sound is H, H. Therefore, we will use an article of. Okay, what would be the correct sentence now? The Ganga is a holy river. Okay, students, just write down. The Ganga is a holy river. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 7. Just see students, question number 7. What is question number 7? Mona bought liter of milk.
But क्या है? R and polymerase do
Mona bought a liter. Dear students, the sound, the pronunciation of this word liter start with the L. Therefore, that is consonant. Therefore, we will use here the article. Okay, Mona bought a liter of milk. Okay, Mona bought a liter of milk. Okay, students. So just see. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 8. Dear students, you write it in your book. You fill it in your book. Now we will discuss the next question. Question number 8. Dear students, if you have any kind of doubts, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, just see. Question number 8. Just see students, of exercise number 1, question number 8. Just see what is given here. Question number 8. Blank is given. Buffalo, B-U-F-F-A-L-L-O. Buffalo is useful animal. Useful animal. Just see students, buffalo. Yes students, the word buffalo denotes the whole community, whole class, whole category of the animal buffalo. Therefore, we will use here the article of. The buffalo is a useful. Yes students, again, your sound is given here. Okay, although that is vowel letter, but the sound is here. Therefore, we will use here only. That is consonant sound. Although the letter is vowel, but the sound is consonant. Therefore, we will use the article a. And now, what would be the correct sentence? The buffalo is a useful animal. Come to the next question. Question number 9. The students, Mohan is blank is given, tallest boy in blank is given class. Just say students, Mohan is tallest. Dear students, you can see here tall is positive degree, taller is comparative degree, and tallest is superlative degree. And I have told you also that before superlative degree we use the article the. So we will fill here the article the. Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. Yes, the word class denotes the whole class. Okay, it denotes a particular thing, that is the collection of a student. Therefore, we will use article the. Okay, now just see. Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. Okay, we are talking about a particular class. Therefore, we will use the article the, and that is superlative degree, therefore we will use the article the. Come to the next question. Question number 10. Dear students, you complete it also in your book and just see the question number next. Question number 10. Blank is given, then after Himalayas, Himalaya are highest mountain, highest. Just see, Himalayas are highest mountain. Just say students, mountains, mountains. Yes students, before we are talking about the particular mountains that is unique also, therefore we will use the article the. And I have also told you that before the mountains, before the rivers, before the gulfs, before the oceans, we will use the article the. The Himalaya are the highest. Yes students, that is superlative degree. High is what? Positive degree. Higher is comparative degree and highest is the superlative degree. Therefore, we will use the article the before the word that is superlative. Okay. So just see here. What would be the correct sentence now? The Himalayas are the highest mountain. Okay students. So just write down. Just complete it. Highest mountains. Okay, you will fill the article the in the first blank. You will also fill the article the in the second blank. Come to the next question. Question number 11. Just see. Honesty. Honesty. Just see students. Honesty is blank is given. Best policy. Best policy. Just say students, honesty is. Yes students, best. I have already told you that before superlative degree, good is first, positive degree, better is comparative degree, and best is the superlative degree. Therefore, we will use the article the. Honesty is the best policy. Come to the next question. Question number 12. Just see. I am a sorry, there is blank. Student of. I am a student of 6th class. Okay, student, just see. Student, it gives the sound, consonant sound. Therefore, we will use the article of. Okay, students. So, in this way, what do we fill? We will fill the article of. Okay. I am a student of 6th class. Okay, students. So, you will fill the article of in the question number 12. In the question number 8, you will fill the article the and of. In the question number 9, you will fill the article the and the. In the question number 10, you will fill the article the and the. And question number 11, you will fill the article the. In the question number 12, you will fill the article of. Okay, students. So, in this way, we had completed the exercise first, which is given at the page number 58. Yes, students, I hope that you all have understood the articles, the exercise first, which is given at the page number 53. Yes, students, your homework is to complete the exercise second. Okay, students, your homework is to complete the exercise second. Okay, students, if you have any kind of doubts, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, students, so that's all for today. Thank you.